Bill?
He sees a 100% chance of another Arctic outbreak. 100% chance on that. What is still the probability is the snow. Yes, there is a good chance that we see snow. But here's the thing. We're still in the global model world, and not until we get into high resolution data can we really put a lot of confidence in these forecasts. But I'm going to show you what we've got so far. That's the most important thing. But let's talk first about the biggest impact, and it's definitely going to be temperatures, because that's a 100% chance. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, our weather impact alert days, and here's why. San Antonio could be 20 hours below freezing, with the hill country going upwards of 55 hours below freezing. This is so important to be telling you now, because this is the time to prepare. You've got a few days of some pretty warm weather. Chances are improving as well for the wintry mix, and the travel issues pretty much looking at Tuesday, Wednesday at this point. But remember, Monday, one of the biggest events in this city every year, the MLK March, and it's going to be 10 a.m., and it's still on schedule for Monday the 20th. Very breezy, very cold, and this could be an optimistic 33. We might not even be up to 33. We're going to definitely start Monday morning in the mid-20s. It'll feel like 20, if that, because those north to northeast winds will put such a wind chill on it, it could feel like the teens. And there is a chance, it's very slight on Monday, of seeing a wintry precipitation that morning. The better chance is coming in on Tuesday. The quarry market tonight, the stacks blue for thyroid awareness. 46 on the thermometer, feels like 43. West breeze under 10 miles per hour. Winds won't be a factor. In fact, we're going to return to sunny skies. We were under the clouds today with only a few sprinkles showing up, most of the rain out to the east and along the coast. But look at the clouds part, and we get some blue skies tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, warming us into the mid to even upper 60s. And see, because of the sunshine and that warm air, I definitely think the soils and our surface is going to be pretty warm, and it's going to be hard for us to get cold enough for significant accumulation with this event when the precipitation starts to fall. So let's show you the global model side by side, okay? On the left is the American model, which is showing a favorable, more snow forecast, while the European model, which is sometimes the one we kind of lean into on these, is going to be showing a little bit more sleet. What's the difference? Well, it all has to do with air temperature, okay? At or below freezing, and you're going to see snow in that column. It's all about that column of air. Now, when you wedge in a little bit of warm air and it melts, but then refreezes in a cold layer right before the surface, you get an ice pellet and you get sleet. Freezing rain is the worst case scenario. This is when it's falling as liquid all the way down and it hits a frozen surface and freezes on contact. So it's looking mostly sleet right now, just because this is South Texas and it's got a pretty far descent down to, say, our 600-foot elevation here. Snow, of course, there's a chance. Like I said, we're just going to have to wait and see, and we're going to get a better handle on this as we get to Friday, especially Saturday, with some high-resolution data. All right, 14-day forecast tomorrow, 39 to 64 with a north breeze, about 10. South winds are warming us up a little bit more Friday and Saturday, closer to 70. Lots of sunshine. But then look at the temperature fall off. Nearly 70 Saturday, staying in the 40s Sunday. I think the winds will start picking up Saturday afternoon. In fact, by sunset Saturday, it's going to start getting cold, because that north wind's going to be cold. And then we're going down to 34 Sunday morning, up to only 49. Then here's the real cold. Hard freezes Monday, Tuesday. Look at Tuesday. We might just barely get above freezing with a high of 35. 42 on Wednesday with that isolated shower still possible at 20%. Then only 47 Thursday, 48 Friday the 24th. The 25th, Saturday, big day. We've got the big barbecue cook-off for the San Antonio Rodeo, and it looks okay. I mean, isolated shower, but 64.